Hey Excel enthusiast, today we are going to learn nested if condition in Microsoft Excel. Nested if condition in Microsoft Excel stands for or means a condition within another condition to be checked. Means if there are multiple if conditions applicable, then that situation is called as nested if situation in Microsoft Excel. So in this particular case, we have employees data available. So employees names are available, employees departments are available, employees sales is done, and we want to find out their eligibility for bonus. But for bonus condition, for being eligible for bonus, they need to satisfy two conditions. That is, if the department is sales and the sales is greater than or equal to 1 lakh, then only they are eligible for bonus, else they are not eligible for bonus. So let us see how it is done. Now, first of all, we will apply the second condition in this particular logic, that is whether the sales is greater than 1 lakh or not. So what we will do is we will like write if sales means this particular cell is greater than or equal to 1 lakh, then if this is true, then what will be the result? So we will write eligible within inverted commas as it is a text. Else we will again put within inverted comma not eligible inverted comma close, and then I'm sorry, my bad, is not eligible, and then hit enter, and you see that it is checking the value of the sales. If it is more than 1 lakh, it is saying eligible. Now our condition is that it has to check if the department is also sales, then only it is eligible. So we will edit this particular formula to check if. So we'll apply again if condition. If this cell is equal to sales within inverted comma, then this value if true, so we will like value if true as this particular condition, previous condition, then comma, if the value is not true, then we will write not eligible, inverted comma closed, and then close brackets, and then like this. So here in this particular situation, the sales department is sales and the sales value is more than 1 lakh. So it is eligible. Let us see if this applies to all the other things. Here the sales is equal to 1 lakh, but the department is not sales, and that is why the result is not eligible. Again, in this particular cell, the department is HR and the sales is also less than equal to 1 lakh, and that is why it is not eligible. In the fourth case, this department is sales, but the sales is less than equal to 1 lakh, and that is why it is not eligible. Again, in this particular case, here the department is sales as well as the sales is more than 1 lakh, so it is eligible. Again, in the last case, the department is sales and sales is greater than 1 lakh or equal to 1 lakh, it is saying eligible. I hope you have liked this particular video. If you have liked this particular video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, press the bell icon, and share the video amongst your friends so that more and more people become Excel literate. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.